What is the total area of Karnataka? A. 192,000 square kilometer. B. 191,791 square kilometer. C. 180,500 square kilometer. D. 200,000 square kilometer. Answer. B. 191,791 square kilometer. Karnataka covers an area of 191,791 square kilometers, making it the sixth largest state in India by land area. Karnataka ranks in terms of area in India. A. 5th. B. 6th. C. 7th. D. 8th. Answer. B. 6th. Karnataka is the sixth largest state in India after Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Gujarat. Three. What are the three major geographical regions of Karnataka? A. Plains, hills, and valleys. B. Coastal, Malnad, and Medan. C. Plateau, plains, and hills. D. Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and Deccan Plateau. Answer. B. Coastal, Malnad, and Medan. Karnataka is divided into three main geographical regions. Coastal region, Karavali, western coastline along the Arabian Sea. Malnad region, hilly and forested areas of the Western Ghats. Medan region, the Deccan Plateau, which includes plains and semi-arid regions. 4. Which is the highest peak in Karnataka? A. Kudremukh. B. Mullainagiri. C. Brahmagiri. D. Kemmangundi. Answer. B. Mullainagiri. Mullainagiri is the highest peak in Karnataka at 1,930 meters, 6,330 feet. It is part of the Baba Budangiri Hills in the Western Ghats. 5. Mullainagiri is part of which mountain range? A. Nilgiri Hills. B. Baba Budangiri Hills. C. Eastern Ghats. D. Sahyadri Hills. Answer. B. Baba Budangiri Hills. Mullainagiri is located in the Baba Budangiri Hills, which is a sub-range of the Western Ghats in Chikmagaluru district. 6. Which is the second highest peak in Karnataka? A. Kudremukh. B. Pushpagiri. C. Kemmangundi. D. Brahmagiri. Answer. A. Kudremukh. Kudremukh, 1,895 meters, is the second highest peak in Karnataka. It is located in the Kudremukh National Park in Chikmagaluru district. 7. Name the Western Ghats range passing through Karnataka. A. Anamlai Hills. B. Sahyadri Hills. C. Aravali Hills. D. Nilgiri Hills. Answer. B. Sahyadri Hills. The Western Ghats are known as the Sahyadri Hills in Karnataka. This range is famous for its biodiversity, rivers, and coffee plantations. 8. What is the name of the plateau region in Karnataka? A. Malwa Plateau. B. Deccan Plateau. C. Chotnagpur Plateau. D. Vindhya Plateau. Answer. B. Deccan Plateau. Karnataka is part of the Deccan Plateau, which is a large, elevated landmass covering most of South India. 9. Which district is known as the land of coffee? A. Coorg, Kodgu. B. Chikmagaluru. C. Shivamogga. D. Hassan. Answer. B. Chikmagaluru. Chikmagaluru is called the land of coffee because it is the largest producer of coffee in Karnataka. The first coffee plantation in India was established here by Baba Budhan in the 17th century. 10. The Biligiriranga Hills, BR Hills, are located in which two districts? A. Hassan and Kodgu. B. Chamarajanagar and Mysore. C. Belgavi and Uttara Kannada. D. Tumkuru and Ramnagara. Answer. B. Chamarajanagar and Mysore. Biligiriranga Hills, BR Hills, are located between Chamarajanagar and Mysore districts. This region forms a bridge between the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, making it an important biodiversity hotspot.